Oh really? What kind of fish are you catching here? This is my first time fishing here.
Well, I done snapped a half a dozen good catfish out of here.
Okay, alright.
I left my bucket down here this morning early.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Sean. See what I got here? Like I snagged a carp. Little baby carp. About a 2-pounder.
You lie, big. I ain't seen no largemouth.
Oh really?
I done seen a couple smallmouth in here.
Oh yeah, smallmouth?
Yeah, and I done got a trout or two out of here
Oh wow.
over the years. I think they sneak in here some kind of way when they stop.
Got something here.
That come on?
Yeah.
Look like a sunny.
Yeah, I think I.
Uh-huh. Plenty of them. Big fun.
Oh, and it's a little catfish.
A little catfish.
Yeah.
Okay, yep. Okay. And they hitting at your lure, huh?
Yeah. Took
All
it.
right.
Oh.
Get back up here.
You gotta be careful because these things have spines, you know?
Hmm?
These little catfish have spines
Yeah.
sometimes.
They're hard to handle.
Oh.
Maybe it works. There he goes.
There you go.
He's working his way back. Yep. Okay, he's in the mud. If he's in the mud, he's all right.
Alright.
Yep. Listen, have a good day, buddy.
You too. Whoa. Looks like I snagged a big carp here. Well, not the, well, big for this place.
What?
I snagged the carp.
Huh?
It's a carp.
I saw you coming up with it. What was it?
It's a carp.
Carp?
Yeah. Oh, it might be a catfish actually. Oh, that's a carp.
Carp?
Yeah, I snagged it.
What size is it?
Not too big. It's another small one. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
For Sean. Looks like the only thing in this pond is catfish and carp, but we'll see if I can find a bass somewhere. Fish on. I don't know what this is, but it doesn't feel like a carp. Oh, no, it's carp. I was hoping to catch a couple bass out of here, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. All the carp about the same size. Whoa. Well, a quick release. Alright, I don't know if he's gonna make it. Let's see if he makes it out there. He's gonna need a little help. Oh man, it's muddy. See if there's a stick I can. Oh, here we go. Alright. There he goes. Fish on. I'm hoping it's not a carp. Oh, I buried into the mud, so maybe it's catfish. What do we got here? All right. Yes. Here we go. Oh no, I snagged it. Oh. I snagged the snag. This is by far the biggest crappie I've ever caught. Unfortunately, I snagged it. All right, we got 1 pound and 10 ounces. Over 1.5 pounds crappie right here. Slab. Fish on. Another carp. All right, carp, free to go.